Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. If you're working in a tiny workshop, you know the struggle of balancing space and efficiency. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we'll explore 10 incredible tools that pack a punch without taking up too much space. Let's dive in. Number 1. The Joris 38 Pieces Small Precision Screwdriver Set is a versatile toolkit designed for intricate repairs on devices like MacBooks, laptops, iPhones, gaming consoles, and more. With 30 CRV screwdriver bits including Phillips, flathead, Torx, Torx Security, Tri-Wing, Pentalobe, and MID, it offers compatibility with a wide range of screws. The high-quality CRV chrome vanadium steel ensures durability and resistance to rust, making this set reliable for prolonged use. The slip-resistant rotatable handle, made from TPR and PP materials, provides comfort and ease during use. Its magnetic tip enhances efficiency by securely holding screws. The set includes thoughtful accessories such as a triangular spudger for opening screens, double-ended and long spudgers for device back covers and internal parts, and a suction cup for convenient phone screen repairs. Tools like tweezers, a SIM card thimble, and a cleaning brush further enhance its functionality. This kit is compact and portable for on-the-go repairs or home use. Whether you're working on electronics, watches, eyeglasses, or gaming consoles, this precision set ensures precision and convenience. Its ergonomic design and comprehensive selection of tools make it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 2. The Rex BD25 Pieces Metal File Set is an essential toolkit for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from premium-grade T12 drop-forged alloy steel, the set guarantees long-lasting durability and precision. The 16 files in the set include 4 large files, flat, triangle, half-round, and round, and 12 precision needle files, all designed with deeply milled, tempered, and coated teeth for efficient cutting and filing performance. This comprehensive kit also includes 6 pieces of sandpaper, a metal wire brush for cleaning, and a pair of work gloves to ensure safety and comfort during use. The rubbery handles are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip for extended hours of operation. All tools are neatly organized in a rugged and compact carry case, ensuring portability and secure storage. Each tool fits snugly into its designated slot, preventing movement and scratches. This thoughtful design allows for easy access and protects your tools during transportation. Whether you're shaping wood, filing metal, or completing intricate projects, this versatile set has you covered. The inclusion of various file types, sandpaper, and accessories makes it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Durable and user-friendly, it offers exceptional value and efficiency. Number 3. The Workpro 8-Piece Clamp Set is a versatile and essential toolkit for woodworking and household repairs. This set includes 4 4.5-inch mini bar clamps, 2 6.5-inch spring clamps, and 2 4.5-inch spring clamps, providing a range of options to suit various project needs. The bar clamps feature a unique screw release button, allowing them to be easily converted into spreaders by reversing the jaw, a practical dual-purpose design. Delivering up to 50 pounds of clamping force, these clamps are equipped with a metal ratcheting mechanism that ensures secure and reliable holding power. Despite their lightweight construction, they are sturdy enough to maintain pressure for extended periods, making them ideal for precision work. The reinforced nylon body and high-quality hardened steel bars add durability and impact resistance, ensuring they can handle the demands of construction or DIY tasks. The ergonomic, anti-slip handle design minimizes hand fatigue and allows for comfortable, efficient clamping. Whether you're securing materials for woodworking or tackling repairs around the house, this set offers a reliable, user-friendly solution. Compact yet powerful, the Workpro 8-Piece Clamp Set is a must-have for any workshop or toolbox. Number 4. The Pony Heavy Duty Bench Vise is a robust and versatile tool designed for woodworking, metalworking, and general utility tasks. It provides ample capacity for various applications with a 5-inch jaw width, 5-inch jaw opening, and a throat depth of 2 5/8 inches. The Vise features a 360-degree swivel base with dual lock nuts and a rotating front jaw, allowing for precise adjustments and flexibility during use. Constructed from durable ductile cast iron, this bench vise boasts exceptional strength and reliability. It offers an impressive clamping force of up to 5,512 pounds, supported by heavy cold-formed steel channel beams that protect the screws and enhance durability. The replaceable hardened steel serrated jaw faces and permanent pipe jaws ensure a secure grip on both flat and round objects, while the large ground and polished anvil provides a sturdy work surface for tasks like hammering or shaping. The Pony Bench Vise is suitable for a wide range of operations, including grinding, cutting, gluing, sawing, and sanding. Its combination of strength, versatility, and ergonomic design makes it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a dependable tool for their projects. Number 5. The Magnet Sweeper Magnetic Nail Roller is a highly efficient tool for clearing metal debris from workshops, garages, yards, and construction sites. Featuring a robust 17-inch magnetic surface, it effortlessly picks up nails, screws, and other small ferrous objects, boasting an impressive 8.8-pound capacity to ensure thorough cleanup and enhanced safety in your workspace. The telescoping handle, adjustable from 15 inches to 38 inches, eliminates the need for bending or back strain, making it ideal for reaching under furniture or into tight spaces. Its lightweight and compact build, combined with smooth rolling wheels, ensures easy maneuverability across various surfaces, including gravel and grass, for both indoor and outdoor use. Designed for maximum coverage, this magnetic sweeper is perfect for quickly clearing large areas. It is particularly effective for picking up roofing nails, tacks, and scattered metal parts from driveways, shop floors, or lawns. Its versatile application suits mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners alike. Portability and ease of storage add to its convenience, making this magnetic nail roller a must-have tool for anyone looking to maintain a clean and safe environment. Durable and practical, it's an excellent investment for all your cleanup needs. Number 6. The Uliber Magnet Strong Magnetic Storage Hooks are a versatile and heavy-duty solution for organizing tools, cables, ropes, hoses, and more in garages, workshops, boats, trucks, or RVs. Designed to help maintain a tidy and efficient space, these magnetic hooks are perfect for hanging items like extension cords, shovels, rakes, and brooms, making them an indispensable storage tool. Each hook measures 18.5 centimeters, 7.3 inches, on the longest side, 13 centimeters, 5.1 inches, on the short side, and 4 centimeters, 1.6 inches, in width, with a sturdy magnet diameter of 6.6 centimeters, 2.59 inches. With a strong load-bearing capacity, these hooks are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, offering reliability and durability even for heavy tools. The innovative hook and loop design, featuring Velcro straps with a cycle life of over 10,000 uses, allows for adjustable lengths to accommodate a variety of items. Simply attach the hook to a metal surface, and it's ready to securely hold your tools. Ideal for anyone looking to optimize their storage setup, these magnetic hooks are not only practical but also easy to use, ensuring your workspace remains organized and clutter-free. Number 7. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table is a versatile 2-in-1 tool, functioning as both a workbench and a sawhorse to adapt to various work scenarios. Its innovative design allows users to effortlessly switch between functions, enhancing convenience and flexibility for tasks in garages, gardens, and more. With a robust load capacity, this work table supports up to 500 pounds. In workbench mode and up to 1,000 pounds. As a sawhorse, the durable aluminum leg frame provides exceptional strength, ensuring reliable performance under heavy use. It also features height adjustability, offering 6 different levels from 30-inch to 35-inch, allowing for optimal ergonomics and project handling at different heights. The set includes a comprehensive array of accessories: 2 medium-duty 12-inch easy hold bar clamps, 2 light-duty 6-inch easy hold bar clamps, 2 large bench dogs, 2 small bench dogs, and 2 safety straps. These tools add versatility and precision to your projects. Designed for portability, the workbench folds flat for easy storage and transport, making it a practical choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're tackling construction projects, repairs, or creative builds, this work table delivers functionality, strength, and convenience. Number 8. The Handlandy work gloves for men and women are designed to provide comfort, flexibility, and functionality for various tasks. These gloves feature a stretchable spandex back that keeps hands cool and comfortable during extended use. The material allows for a snug fit while maintaining flexibility, making them ideal for tasks requiring precision and dexterity. Equipped with touch-screen-compatible fingertips, the gloves enable users to operate phones or tablets without the need to remove them, adding convenience during work. These gloves are suitable for a variety of activities, including yard work, light construction, maintenance, and mechanic jobs, making them a versatile choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Their thoughtful design ensures they are both practical and comfortable for daily use. Number 9. The Bluetooth 5.4 hearing protection headphones are designed to combine safety and high-quality audio performance for various environments. With advanced noise cancellation technology providing a 30 dB SNR, they significantly reduce ambient noise, offering crystal-clear sound for music and calls. The headphones feature enhanced Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity for a smoother, faster, and more stable connection, ensuring a wider range and superior sound quality. Equipped with a robust 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery, these headphones provide up to 120 hours of playtime. The quick charging capability allows 4 hours of music playback with just a 5-minute charge, and a full charge takes only 2 hours. Their user-friendly design includes larger buttons for easy operation, even while wearing gloves, making them ideal for tasks such as lawn mowing, woodworking, and working in noisy environments like construction sites. They also support Siri and Google Assistant for hands-free control of music, calls, and texts, enhancing convenience during use. The headphones deliver superior stereo sound quality through high-grade speakers, ensuring an immersive and enjoyable listening experience. Designed for both comfort and functionality, they are an excellent choice for maintaining focus and safety in noisy surroundings. Number 10. The Underhood work light delivers powerful illumination and versatility for mechanics, automotive tasks, and general workshop use. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides up to 4 hours of continuous use at 2,600 lumens in high brightness mode or 7.5 hours at 1,300 lumens in low brightness mode, weighing only 0.92 pounds. The foldable design extends from 31.5 inch to 110.2 inch, allowing easy storage and adaptability for various tasks. Equipped with dual functionality, the light can serve as an independent magnetic work light or an underhood light bar. 2 strong magnets ensure secure attachment to metal surfaces, while foam-padded, adjustable hooks protect vehicle surfaces and keep the light securely in place. The 14.9-inch COB light strip, made of soft, durable silicone, provides bright and even illumination for detailed tasks like vehicle repairs, inspections, or other precision work. Charging is simple with the Type-C port, ensuring extended usage without dealing with cords or battery replacements. The 360-degree rotating buckle on both ends allows for flexible angle adjustments, letting you direct light exactly where it's needed. The lightweight and compact design ensures portability, making it a practical choice for garages, home projects, outdoor work, and construction sites. The light features 2 straightforward modes, 100% and 50% brightness, offering tailored illumination for different needs. This cordless underhood light combines functionality, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for any workspace.